Welcome to the Paint and Wallpaper episode. It's Friday the 6th of March and it's the day after where the last video ended with the undercoat. It's Friday night and wallpaper is going on tomorrow, Saturday, so we need to get a coat on in the accessible toilet, which is having a wallpaper feature wall, so I can get paint on before that paper goes up. And in there the ceiling is being painted as well, as I'm wanting to add a bit of drama in there. So hopefully you like the paint colours I've chosen.
Good morning, Saturday morning, another weekend, although the weekends are sort of blurring into each other at the moment because we're working during the week as well to get things done. So just doing this update in case Kerry doesn't do one. So on the plan today is a second coat of paint across the interior of the building and hopefully some wallpaper in both of the toilets. So see how we get on. It's a beautiful day, good day for painting.
and you just line it up.
Line up that seam.
Yeah. It's looking pretty sharp, Nigel. It's Nigel putting on the wallpaper, library wallpaper, so, in the accessible toilet. So it's pretty old wallpaper. It's been sitting in someone's house for 20 odd years, and yeah, it's going to go up that next level there, and then paint above that. What do you reckon, Jill? Happy with your choices?
I'm happy with my library loo.
Yeah, this is the library loo, and yeah, everybody good?
Right. Rightio.
Oh yeah, you ready? Let's just stop there.
You know, turn it up.
Stop up there. There.
Bottom.
Oh.
Then hold it like that. So it comes in like that. On that end. Go up. I'm too short. How far can you reach?
I can reach.
Let it hang. And then come to me. And go round.
Go around. Oh.
Go. Can you go up more?
Yep.
More?
Yeah. You gotta get down quite a bit.
No, I'm there, look.
You gotta go overlap it.
It's got to overlap.
Gotta overlap.
Oh, is that what
has
it
to
does?
overlap.
Yeah.
Oh, I wasn't going to overlap it.
Yeah, no, it's overlapping.
Well, that's useless.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it there.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Hold on. Yep. Take yours round. You do that.
How's it going, Kerry?
Painting. We were looking forward to getting into painting, and now we're kind of looking forward to not be painting. But that's okay. We're on to the last coat of the ceiling, Jill's special ceiling paint. And then we're going to do another coat of the white out there, black white.
Just in that kitchenette,
Yeah.
cellar doorway area, isn't it?
Now I think we're done with painting,
Yeah.
and we're going to get onto all those other little jobs just to finish things off. But yeah, we can almost see the end now.
Yeah, I've got a little bit more Safite
It's feet to paint.
and whatever that thing is called out the front that's only had one coat. The black.
Yeah, the fascia.
Fascia, that's
yeah,
it.
Yeah.
I just-
No worries. Sounds good.
Looking pretty good in here, isn't it?
All right.
I'll leave it to your painting. It's such a small space.
Yep.
Good morning. It's a Sunday morning, mid-morning because I've been at work this morning and Kerry's been out too, so we're just starting to get stuck into it now. For me, I've got a few jobs today. I'm going to be doing painting the Safite. I ran out of paint to do this a couple of weeks ago, but I've got some new paint
So that will finish turning that grey, and on the front of the building, or the west of the building, I'm going to paint that fascia black. So, and then yeah, Kerry is going to be doing just a bit of patching work on some doors, so hopefully I can paint the inside of the cellar door back black, the cellar door entry door, and the accessible toilet door. Keen to get that black both sides as well. So a little bit more painting today, but hopefully once that's done, it is the end of painting. So yeah. So this is the area left to paint. This is the feet. Not too much to do. So it's it has had one coat down this end, so I'll start with the second coat there, and then I'll have to do start with the first coat down that end, and then do a second coat up here where it's not done. Morning again, and it's still morning, just. I'm about to dive into undercoating the cellar door, which is behind me. So hopefully this afternoon I might get some coat of black paint on top of that, which would be awesome. But I have done the feet, which I'll show shortly, and I'll be moving on to the fascia soon. But I thought I'd get this undercoat underway first because it's a turbs based one, so I want to get it out of the way. Afternoon catch up, and this is now all painted, which is great. Also done the putty on these windows that were puttied, gosh, maybe a month or so back, 6 weeks. We had to leave them for a while, and I've done that one as well. There's still work to do up there. There's always work to do, and I have undercoated the back of this with a special, it's hard to say, special oil-based undercoat, so I can put water-based paint on top. Done the same. I have done the same with this accessible door. That one I'd done a while back. Still a bit of work to be done around the handle, so leaving that, but the outside at least is undercoated, so that once that's filled, it can be just painted. Kerry's starting on the steps, big project, about to commit. And I've just finished the second coat on this fascia board along here, as well as painting those. Slowly taking shape. Kerry has actually placed the toilet in here just for view. It's not fitted yet, so you can see the overall look of this toilet now. The idea was for it to be a little bit retro 50s. I think we've achieved that, and this is going to look pretty sharp once everything's plumbed in and the taps are on and everything. Very happy with this room.